Welcome back to the Summit at Brighton. In this section, we are going to be focusing on how to be successful during a dinner service. First things first, start with a smile. Always be friendly, patient, and understanding while serving the residents. Wait until everyone has been seated to approach the table. Introduce yourself and let them know that you will be their server today. Let them know what the soups and veggies of the day are. Ask them if they would like any other drinks besides water. Make sure to ask their first and last names if you are unsure, so you can match each order to their name, but don't worry, you'll memorize them all soon. The drinks, glasses, and ice will be located towards the front of the dining room by the entrance. Once you've gotten their drink order, make sure you have a tray stand near your table. Once you've gotten their drinks, it's time to ask them if they are ready to order. If they are, start with whoever is closer to you and move around in a circle. They will be ordering their appetizer and main entree at the same time, so be prepared to write down both. Now before we talk about ordering, let's break down what a meal ticket is. So here's what a meal ticket looks like. Each ticket equals 4 people's orders. If you have more than 4 people at a table, grab another meal ticket. As you can see, it lists all the food we're offering that night. On the right side, you'll see where it says notes, and each box has a number. That number stands for a person. Write down in each notes box the name of the resident so you can match their order to their name. Also, in this section, you'll be writing down their appetizers and any extra thing that isn't a part of their main dinner. Make sure everything is written down that they ordered so you can correctly charge them at the end of the night. As they order, circle what they say. If they want a small portion of their meal, circle small portion in green. If they order a salad or any cold entree, that will be on the salad ticket. Salad tickets are strictly for entree salads, cold entrees, and appetizer salads. If it's an appetizer, just circle what they would like. If it's an entree, write out next to the list of salad contents what it is and circle it. Make sure your name and table number is written down too. After each person orders, make sure you are repeating back the order to make sure everything is correct. Once done with everyone's order, hand in your hot entree tickets to the cooks in the kitchen in the metal bin, and hand in your salad and cold entree tickets to the salad maker on the cold side. Now it's time to get your apps together. Soups are located towards the front next to the drinks in the dining room. Remember that every soup should have a plate under it, and that goes for every dish as well. Cold apps will be located in the kitchen. Make sure you pick your appetizer salads up before you go back into the dining room. Now let's talk about how to properly pick up a tray. Place one hand in the middle of the tray and the other hand towards the front end of the tray. Bend your knees and slowly lift the tray to your dominant shoulder. You always want to walk with caution and keep your eyes open to your surroundings. Once you reach the front of your tray stand, carefully lower it while bending your knees until it is fully balanced on the tray stand. Make sure to give them their hot appetizer first, followed by their cold appetizer second close by to them. Once everyone has his or her appetizers, see if anyone needs anything else. If not, let them be for a little bit. While you wait, make sure to check on your other tables. Once they are halfway done with their appetizers, go into the kitchen and yell out, "Fire table 10," or whatever table number you have. Make sure you get a response from them to know that they heard you. Once your residents are done with their appetizers, it's time for you to clear the table. You're going to want to clear everything that is dirty on the table, besides the napkins and the drinks. Stack the dishes, plates, and silverware like I'm showing right now to optimize space on the tray. Here's how you properly clear your tray at the dishwasher station. Scrape off any excess food from your plates and dishes into the garbage can and stack them in the dish area. All the silverware goes in the black container on the side. Empty glasses into the dishwashing area, and place coffee cups in the racks on the side and the glasses on top in these racks. Once you are done with that, it's time to get your food. Place your tray in a tray stand in front of the kitchen line. Let the expo know what table number you are looking for. Expo will place all of your dinners on the tray. Make sure every dinner has a metal cover on it. If you have any cold entrees, make sure to grab it from the cold side. Make sure to grab any cold sides to your meals from the appetizer cooler behind you as well. You are now ready to serve your guests dinner. Carefully carry your tray to your tray stand by your table. Each ticket will tell you whose meal is whose. Make sure to double check the ticket so you are giving everyone the right meal. Once everyone has his or her meal, ask if anyone is missing something. If not, it's time to let them enjoy their meal. While you wait, you can check on your other tables and ask your fellow coworkers if anyone needs any help. After a couple of minutes, ask if they are enjoying their meal. Once you've done that, continue to check on your other tables and help the others around you. Once your table looks to be done, it's time to clear the dinner plates. Make sure you are saying "excuse me" or "pardon my reach" when you are picking up their plates. Once you've stacked their dishes on the tray, tell them the dessert of the night. Now you are ready to ask them their dessert, coffee, and tea orders. You will write down their orders in the notes section of your meal ticket. Dessert will be located in the kitchen. Cold items will be in the coolers, and room temp or warm will be in the back of the kitchen. Make sure to clear your trays at the dishwashing station before you grab their desserts. Make sure to fill 2 canisters of regular coffee and decaf. Also make sure to fill a canister of hot water for the tea. When you pour hot beverages, never pour over someone. The coffee cup should be to the right of the resident, and pour slowly. Once you've given them their dessert, it's time to do their checks. Here at the Summit at Brighton, we do a point system. Every resident gets a certain amount of points a month to spend on food. Here's what the computer looks like to ring up their checks. First, you will enter your assigned number you will get when you first start. Once you do that, it should take you to a seating page. Click on a table with the same number of people you served. Click View Seats for the table you clicked. Then it will take you to the guest page. You will start with guest 1 and make your way to each guest you have. Click on a guest number and then click Change Patron. Find the resident's name in the catalog shown and then click Enter. For each guest, click each button for items that they ordered. The top blue buttons tell you the categories from which you can pick from. Once done charging all guests, click Finalize All Sales, and it will print out the resident's receipts for you. The receipts tell them how many points they use and how many they have left. Make sure to hand the residents their receipts once you are done. See if there's anything else you can get for them. If not, tell them to have a good night. Once they all leave, make sure you clear all the dishes, remove condiment caddy, and bread basket, creams, and butters. Make sure you clear your dishes at the dishwashing station. Once you are done with that, make sure to remove the tablecloth and dirty napkins. Dirty linen goes in the large yellow can outside of the back kitchen door. Clean linen is located next to the grilled dishwashing room. Reset your tables how we showed you in the introduction video. Check your closing side work. There will be a sheet in the kitchen that will tell you what your duties are for the night. You also need to make sure your chairs are clean and wipe them down if needed. Vacuum the entire section you worked in. Make sure to move the chairs around to really get every spot on the carpet. Once you are done with that, see if anyone needs help. Check with your shift supervisor as well if they need you to do anything else. If given the okay, you have completed your shift. Clock out as soon as you're done.